How to fix WhatsApp voice message ear speaker problem. So if you want to fix your WhatsApp voice message ear speaker problem, then what you need to do is you just need to simply check your volume, make sure that it is turned up in your calls and also in your media. And once it's turned on, then your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply open up your settings. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, go with the apps section. Under apps, you need to go with see all apps and go with search, which is on the upper right, and search for WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp. Once you tap on it, now go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, you need to go with permissions, and under permissions, make sure that you allow the permission of music and audio, because if you've not allowed the permission, then you will face the sound problem. So once you allow the music and audio, now you just need to simply go back, and after that you need to go with your Play Store and go with search, and you need to search for WhatsApp. And if you have any updates under your WhatsApp, just go and update it, and after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't, then just restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, your WhatsApp voice message ear speaker problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.